Hi guys, so this is Synapse. It's a memory protocol for autonomous agents. We all know that agents are powerful and really useful in this AI age, but they are mostly stateless, or their state will be fragmented across multiple sessions, and agents are unable to build on what they've already learned. And this is a big issue when AI agents are distilling knowledge bases from third-party sources because they basically forget whatever they've distilled or whatever they've read from the third party, let's say websites or knowledge base. And Synapse is solving this problem by enabling agents to write what it has learned into a permanent decentralized store and recall it before it makes any decisions. So instead of trying to force huge amount of knowledge base or data set, let's say for example trying to force like 10 gigabytes of data set into an AI agent context window won't work obviously. So this where Synapse comes up with a solution by using MemWal provided by Walrus to basically enable AI agents to have memory. And this is useful, especially in the context of data marketplaces, because if an AI agent buys a proprietary dataset or proprietary knowledge base that is the intellectual property of someone else, whenever it needs to use the dataset again, it will always have to go back to buy if every time the AI agent will forget. But instead, after the AI agent buys such dataset, it distills it into important knowledge base that can be useful to the AI agents, and it stores it using MemWal. So this is the landing page for Synapse. I'm going to the dashboard. What we have here, we have the active marketplace registry for every proprietary datasets or knowledge base that have been uploaded to Synapse. These datasets are encrypted before being stored on Walrus, and they're usually large. That's why we use Walrus. So we are encrypting them using Seal. We are encrypting and decrypting them using Seal. So when they have been uploaded, it gets encrypted, and they get sent to Walrus. Then when the AI agent buys the dataset, it downloads the dataset and it decrypts the data before ingesting it into its MemWal. I'm going to connect a wallet, but instead I could just use this account. I already have Sui on this account and all that. Agent console here. You have your agent with access to a wallet. This is testnet to obviously, and we have two main pins. So we have the event stream showing what the agent is doing, and we also have the logs. So we can go ahead to start an autonomous loop. As you can see, the agent is evaluating previous dataset. As you can see, it has 10 memories already, so it's mostly remembering that it has bought some of this dataset already and ingested it before making a decision. As you can see, it's recall the memories of what it has done, and it's basically saying, oh, I've already gotten this, I've already gotten this, I've already gotten this already. And so you can see it's purchased a new dataset here, flash loan attack, pattern analysis, DeFi protocol, vulnerability scan, and this is the transaction confirmed, so you can check that on Sui scan. It works properly, and it has downloaded the datasets, and now it's using Seal to decrypt it, because we know all blobs on Walrus are public, and we decide to encrypt these proprietary datasets before uploading them to Walrus. And you can see it distills the data. Then it tries to remember it by storing it. As you can see, this is the blob ID. The knowledge has been acquired. The memories have increased to 11. This is the ID on Walrus. So we can hit the recall button to basically recall past knowledge from previous datasets that the agent have ingested. And as you can see, it has reasonable knowledge on this particular topic from the past memories that it has acquired by ingesting the datasets that it bought. Thanks for taking the time to watch my demo.